So your last step in creating your aquarium is to rearrange the factors that you just found in your previous step when you did the prime factorization. You're going to rearrange them to find one set of possible dimensions. There's obviously infinitely as many that can fit this aquarium. However, we're only going to come up with 3 whole number examples. So from our previous prime factorization of the number that we had, the prime factorization of 103,950 was 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7 and times 11. So to find the possible dimensions, you're going to take all of these prime factors and you're going to rearrange them and multiply them together to come up with your 3 possible dimensions for length, width, and height. So for example, for length, I took 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. I took 4 factors because length is my longest dimension. When you multiply those 4 factors together, you get 150 inches. So that is one possible length that could be the length of my aquarium. And then with my width was my smallest dimension. So I just took 2 smaller numbers, 3 times 7, and I got 21 inches. So that's going to be my width dimension. And then for my height dimension of my rectangular prism, I took the last 2 factors, which were 3 times 11, and I got 33 inches. So with my aquarium that I had, after I rearrange these factors to find one set of the possible dimensions, I go ahead and I label them on my aquarium to designate which of the dimensions is which. So our length is 150 inches. So make sure that you take the longest section and put it with the longest visual section on your aquarium. So that's 150 inches. My width, according to the set of dimensions that I found, I label it as 21 inches. And lastly, my height is 33 inches. So that's how you rearrange those factors to find a possible set of dimensions for your rectangular prism.